Are you tired of soggy chicken wings?
Oh, aye. Today we are doing the ultimate debate and we are going to settle it right here, right now, in our Two Smart Cookies kitchen.
So if you want to know what is best, an air fryer or an oven, you're in the right place today, and we are going to show you exactly what you need to do to achieve that perfect crisp on your chicken wing.
For this recipe today, you will need 2 kilograms of chicken wings, 3 teaspoons of salt, 3 teaspoons of black pepper, 3 teaspoons of garlic granules, 3 teaspoons of my favourite paprika, and 4 tablespoons of bacon powder. Before we jump right into making our chicken wings, we are going to preheat your oven to 220 degrees,
which is gas mark 7.
And for your air fryer, you are going to preheat it to 200 degrees.
We have already cut the tips off our chicken wings, so we're literally just left with the drumette and the wingette on the other side. We are going to keep the wingette to cook today because I believe that's the best part.
Oh yeah.
However, you do get more meat on a drumette. If you turn that over, you'll be able to see where it joins. You're going to use your fingers and you're just going to feel where that connects. You're going to take your knife and you literally, it should just slide all the way through. We are going to finish the rest off camera and we will be back with the result. We're going to pop this onto this pan and we're going to give them a pat dry with our paper towel. Be careful not to touch anything during this process because it is cross-contamination. You must be really, really careful. Take your paper towel and just give it a pat. This is a very important step into getting that very, very crispy skin. Your wingette should be dry now in order to add your seasonings, so we're going to just chuck those straight in there.
And for some salt. This one, black pepper, garlic, and some bacon powder.
Lovely. And what this is going to do, it's going to dry up your chicken a little bit more and give it that ultimate crispy, mwah, chef's kiss wingette. Oh, it smells lovely, that.
I was going to say it smells lovely. It look lovely as well.
Ooh, ones went rogue.
They call it chicken run. Now your chicken should look something like this when it's all coated. So this is our first test, our oven test. These wings are going to go in our oven for 45 minutes. We are going to pop the other half into our air fryer.
We've got our little bacon sheet, chicken wings,
Pop
straight
them in.
You're not covering them in oil or anything like that. You've already patted them dry, you put your seasonings on. If you want the best crispy wing, you're going to leave the oil off. It won't stick to the tray, obviously, because you've got your baking paper down as well.
We're going to pop these on air fry mode for 25 minutes, and then we are going to flip them halfway and go in for another 20 to 25 minutes just to get that golden brown on both sides. The chicken wings are now out of the oven and out of the air fryer. We are going to taste test these and decide which we think is the best.
Right, let's give them a try.
Let's get stuck into the oven wings.
All right. It's got a gorgeous crispy skin.
Beautiful. Air fryer. Gonna give it a little rip. Ooh. That one does seem a lot crispier.
I think I've made my mind up
I've
already.
made mine as well.
There's definitely a difference. 100% a difference. Sorry, excuse the mess.
I also feel like the air fryer, it's kept the juice. I don't know about you, but you can sort of taste the flavour throughout inside the chicken.
Definitely. Skin's so much crispier on the air fryer ones.
We are going to try with some dips. We've got mango habanero on this one and hot honey in this one. Oh, double dip.
Am I going to be burning my mouth up after this? Sweet and spice, all things nice.
Just like me, don't you see? Time for the mango habanero. This is spicy mind.
I've run out of chicken wing. Hold up.
Because you've ate it.
I know. So
Dip
good.
it in the mango.
This one I'm kind of scared for because I don't like hot things.
That one's my favourite.
I am pleasantly surprised by that.
Gorgeous. Try to
I
find
thought
more
I would
chicken.
be running out the room with tears in my eyes and everything, but that it's so sweet and it balances really well with the salt on your wings. The hot honey, I think, is my favourite. I think you're going to disagree.
Yeah, I think the
You're gonna
mango's
go the
my
mango,
favourite.
yeah.
But I highly recommend them 2 dips if you want to go dipping your wings.
And the results are in. Vote goes to
Dun dun dun!
Airfryer. Definitely wins.
I mean, there's nothing wrong with the oven ones, but these
It's got an edge on.
has just got the edge.
It's got the crisp. It's got the juice. I think it just
flavour.
pops the oven. Definitely.
100%.
So if you want to make your chicken wings like us today, please follow the recipe, please follow the technique, and let us know in the comments what you would pair your chicken wings with.
Please give us a like and subscribe to see what comes next.
And a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching our video today, but we are gonna wing our way out of this kitchen now.
Look.
Bye.